Welcome to 3800 Plowden Road, apartment D5. So D5 is in the building here at the back of the complex. You can see you have open parking out here. It's a brick building. It's a two-story apartment, 2 bedrooms, and 1 full bath. So we're going to take a look inside. You do have sort of a covered front porch and entry there. Just step inside. You have updated laminate vinyl flooring or vinyl wood flooring in the kitchen, and it continues into the dining room here as well. The kitchen is right off of the entry. You have wood cabinets, white appliances, there's a fridge and electric stove. And you can see everything looks out to the living room. There's a window here in the kitchen as well. And then you also have a laundry room here off of the dining area. Full-size washer dryer connections, small shelf above there, electrical panel boxes on the wall there as you enter as well. Then again, that flooring continues, chandelier in here, and the dining room is open to the living room, which is carpeted. It's a nice open layout on the main level. Then out the back sliding door, you have a covered back patio and a storage room here. It does lock. There's some storage space in there. And then back inside, past the laundry room and kitchen again, in the front door, and then we'll go up the stairs to the second level. So carpeting starts here on the stairs again. You have an attic pull down here on the second floor landing. You also have a linen closet there. And these 2 bedrooms share a half bath. So you have 1 bedroom here at the back. Faces the back of the house. You can see your 2 closets there. That one same size on the other side. And then same updated flooring in the bathroom here. You have a single vanity and shower and tub. So the 2 bedrooms share this bath. You can see the vanity there. And then again, that linen closet, nice size. And then a second bedroom here at the front of the unit. Slightly smaller, but still pretty spacious. And you kind of have a small walk-in in this one. So it's a little bit deeper than the other closets. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 3800 Plowden Road. This is apartment D5. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.